Welcome to Wrap It Up Auto, and today we are discussing your car. Yes, your car that you drive every day and keep under the sun for more than 15 to 20 hours, give or take. So what do you think happens when your car is always exposed to sunlight? The answer is light oxidation. And basically what sunlight does to your car is deteriorate everything. And we're talking about these black trims around the tire, all of the tires. The sunlight deteriorates the shade, the tint, the blackness, basically, of the trim. You know what else deteriorates your black trims? Waxing. If you wax the black trims, it's gonna get a little bit whitish, which you don't want on your perfect trims. So now we're going to test out a product. It's called Automax's Back to Black. Okay? So Automax's Back to Black is a trim restorer. What it does is to restore the blackness of your trims. It's applicable to plastic, to leather. With this product is that compared to other products that we've tried, I guess trim restorers don't always stick to the trims when they're wet. But with this, it actually stays. Let's try this out right now. This is an Automax Back to Black. Just put a little bit on your sponge. The sponge comes with this one, by the way, when you buy it. Okay. And to test it out, this is the divider. I'm gonna apply some trim restorer here, and we'll see the difference. Okay? I'm gonna make sure, by the way, make sure to have only one stroke. Okay? Let's try this right now. Keep reapplying as many times as you think is appropriate. Just to prove that it's dry, it just takes a few minutes, by the way, to completely dry. It's fast drying. Look. Clean finger. Clean finger. To prove that the restorer actually works, we're going to mist it with water. And we're going to wipe it to see if there are any changes to what we've done. It's still there. The tint remains intact as compared to this side where we haven't done anything. This is lighter than this. We've seen the difference. That's a wrap.